Deep in the heart of Karnataka, in historic city of Bidar, there's a place where faith literally flows from the earth. A place where 500 years ago, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's compassion turned a dry barren land into a living spring. Welcome to Sri Nanak Jhira Sahib, a miraculous Gurdwara hidden in the hills where history, spirituality, and serenity blends perfectly. So there's a very fascinating and interesting story about this place. Back in 1500s, when Guru Nanak Dev Ji was on his second Udasi of south of India, so Udasi is like a spiritual journey where you go to places and spread your wisdoms. He visited many cities, starting Nagpur, Khandwa, and then he reached Nanded. From Nanded, he proceeded towards Hyderabad and Golconda, where he met some saints. Later, he went to Bidar. When Guru Nanak and his companion Bhai Mardana reached Bidar, they saw people suffering from absence of life's most basic need, which is water. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was greatly moved by the miserable condition of the people. He then uttered the words Sat Kartar, which means true creator, and he touched the ground. After that, miraculously, a stream of crystal clear water began to flow from the rock beneath him. This very spring called Nanak Jhira has been continuously flowing ever since for over 5 centuries. The water has never dried up, not even once. This Gurdwara was built in 1948 to commemorate this event. Its architecture beautifully reflects Sikh spiritual aesthetic with a central dome symbolizing divine openness and 4 entrances signifying equality, openness, and acceptance to all the faiths. There is a Diwan Hall, a Langar Hall, and the main Darbar Sahib within the Gurdwara. There is also an Amrit Kund. The water from the spring is collected in a small Amrit Kund built opposite to the front stairs of the Gurdwara. It is felt that a holy dip is enough to cleanse the body as well as the soul. There is also a Sikh museum that is built in the memory of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, depicting the important events of Sikh history through pictures and paintings. One of the most humbling experiences here is the Langar, a free community kitchen that feeds thousands of people daily. No matter your religion, caste, or background, everyone sits together on the same floor and shares a meal. It's not just food, it's faith in action. This place is located about 4 kilometers from Bidar city center and around 130 kilometers from Hyderabad, making it a perfect weekend spiritual getaway. The nearest railway station is Bidar railway station, and you can also reach here via local buses or cabs. There are some rest houses and accommodation options also available within the premises. The atmosphere turns magical during Guru Nanak Jayanti when thousands of devotees gathered to celebrate Gurpurab. There is something truly divine about this place, the sound of flowing water, the chants in background, and feeling of calm that surrounds you. This is something you cannot explain in words. That's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed this small spiritual getaway. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy Gurpurab to all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering.